We are live. Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, I'm going to share something. It's a prediction. So, Finders experts predict Ethereum will reach 4,500 US dollars this year and in
Wow.
18K in 2025. Wow. This Ethereum will have a very bullish year, according to price prediction poll made by Finder. The average price that second ranked
What's
crypto
up?
asset by market capitalization will reach this year is about 4.5, according to the poll experts of the crypto industry. The panel of the is also bullish about Ethereum long term, expecting the price about 18,000 for the year 2025. All CEO and founder said that who consulted the poll gave a prediction price of 5,000 in the end of the year. The reason is that this above prediction, according to him, is continuous development of Ethereum. The upgrading of the deflationary type of assets, level 2 networks, institutional adoption, mass utilization, DeFi, and DApps, continuous development and rise are all contributing factors to Ethereum future price application. The Ethereum community seems to be most active of all and surely aids in the continuous development further down the road. Bullish long term also. Most of the experts are bullish regarding Ethereum long term performance. The average prediction of the panel signals Ethereum will reach 17,000 in 2025, but there are yet people far more bullish on the future of crypto asset trade and Chain co-founder Ryan Gorman believes Ethereum will go up to 100,000 by December 2013. He stresses that DeFi projects and other applications we have not yet even considered will continue to be built on Ethereum blockchain and see rapid growth. This will in turn lead to Ethereum eventually overtaking Bitcoin as the world's most valuable assets.
Wow. What a great news. Eh?
Guys, tell us what you think about Finder's Ethereum's price prediction.
Yeah,
Loon is saying
it
5K.
look probably yes, we can. It's nothing in 2025 18K looks achievable.
Achievable,
Even the
right?
4.5K by year in means it's 2x from a current what we are. I was expecting it could be 5K or something.
Right.
So yeah, good time to invest on Ethereum. Yeah.
Yeah, we have Ethereum, so let's see. Loon is shouting
Green,
green.
green, green, green.
Yeah, we have to. Loon, I'm gonna make that dance video. We need to
Yeah,
play that
yeah,
once
yeah.
in a
Next
while.
time,
Maybe when
whenever
we
the
make.
green will be there, put
Yeah,
the loon dance. Yeah,
yeah, we make
the
those kind
trade.
of meme. A second news I have. Warren urges Yellen to crack down on cryptocurrency. So Warren said that cryptocurrency currently touch or can ripple through nearly every corner of the financial systems. Of course, I mean we didn't need 10 years to actually come to this statement. But with more than 2,000 digital currencies in circulation and market value that could exceed 2 trillion. That's awesome. She cited specific concerns with the so-called stablecoin, decentralization finance, exposure to hedge funds, and risk to banks. FSOC should review this matter to determine whether it's appropriate to utilize its statutory authority to contain the systemic risk posed by the growing cryptocurrency market, she said. The longer that the United States waits to adapt a proper regulation regime for these assets, the most likely we will become intertwined in our financial systems, and there could be potentially serious consequences if the market comes under stress.
Wow.
The FUD,
So
Loon is saying the FUD turning into fear of missing out, right?
probably
So,
no. Everyone, all the CEO has their own favorite cryptocurrencies. So all the C levels, right? The Elon Musk promote Doji.
right.
I think looks like her favorite crypto is a Ripple.
Yeah, you never know, huh? You
You
never know.
never
Bring the
know.
price down so she can acquire
Yeah,
more.
but that crypto also has a potential that comes under the top 10, right? So XRP is
Right.
comes under top 10. So
Right.
definitely, but not in
Anyway,
our
just for a
list.
statement, Manish was just joking about that, so it's not any statements that we are
Yeah,
making.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
It's just
It's just a
for
joke.
fun statement. Yeah, it's just for fun.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, let's see, I mean, the fact that Elizabeth Warren is saying this gives me the confidence that they do see cryptocurrency as a threat. And in terms of the financial system, it is still not officially made known that cryptocurrency is considered as a financial asset. Although I still believe this is a new financial asset, and we don't need government intervention, and we don't need actual banking as a middleman. But of course, as we have stated before, under root zones, we still need certain governance because of the risks that entail scams and hacking. So security has to be at the forefront. But I would still say cryptocurrency has to be officially designated as an asset.
Yeah, that's the thing. But already people as already they are crazy about these cryptocurrencies. You see, if you see the survey, 90 around 60% of Singaporean also are interested in cryptocurrencies. And look at the surveys, the more people are coming. You look the
Right.
market cap for all the top
Yeah,
coins.
I'm gonna check the market cap, and it's growing. I hope today is 1.5 trillion. We
Yeah,
have not
every
yet
day you
seen.
see how what is the numbers. Then look at the numbers, the growing numbers.
And it
Crazy.
moves fast, Manish. Remember our coin MNG, we purchased it. It nearly went up to about 18% as of in one
Oh,
day.
let's check today. Today,
Yeah,
probably when you are
let's do
checking, when
a
you
sync
are
up
going through the market
on Moon
status,
Nation,
right? Yeah,
right?
probably we'll check there.
And one special thanks to the CEO for getting in touch with us on LinkedIn. We will be
And
inviting you over to Root Zones to have an interview soon. So really appreciate for sharing that forward, and growing our subscribers. So appreciate that.
yeah, and also thanks for sharing the video as well. Yeah.
Yeah. In the other news, we have from the buildings to bitcoins, Dundee firm McGill's accept cryptocurrency payments. Basically, they are in the real estate space. McGill's director of finance, Sharon Craig, commercial director, Douglas Smith, Dundee Building and Construction Services contractors are now accepting cryptocurrency as payment for services delivered. The company has partnered with payment gateway provider CoinGate to accept payments in over 50 different crypto coins. These include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Ms. Craig says our decision to accept cryptocurrency was an easy and obvious one. Many consumers now hold this form of currency, so we will accept it as payment. We expect interest from domestic and private markets, though I don't believe it will be too long before local authorities and other public sectors organizations start to explore crypto as a payment options. So
Mm.
I haven't done a research on this company, so do apologize if it's they are not really in the real estate. I believe they are in the construction services, but it's interesting, and I know that because it's actually trending right now as we speak. Manish,
Wondering how construction services company can accept the payment. Is it from the client or
yeah,
how? Oh,
payments. So I don't know. I mean, they similar to Ripple, right? That use this integration between two banks, so there might be
mm,
some form of transactions that we can pay through crypto payment. I don't think it goes through wallets. I might
yeah.
be wrong. There could be a way, but yeah. So very interesting, and I'm very curious that they don't accept for the sake of acceptance. I believe there are tax benefits. There are things that they can put in their books,
Probably yes,
right?
correct. Yes,
Right.
probably
Like,
that could be the reason because if they are taking a cryptos, because most of the countries so far the tax regulations doesn't include the cryptocurrencies.
mm,
Some countries, yes, they charge it as per the digital goods like
yeah.
India.
If you
India
are
also.
owner, if you are a single entity, yes, you'll be charged heavily. But if you are a corporation, I think there's tax benefits, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
that's one aspect. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, and you look at Michael Saylor. He did mention in one of his interviews that he said that by just converting his cash reserves into Bitcoin, it actually exploded his company portfolio by doing nothing.
By doing nothing, and probably today, as of today, when the Bitcoin hit 40 and when the year end,
Everybody
look,
will be very excited and very happy. So Loon is saying, yeah, Amazon. Oh, Amazon didn't deny the future of Bitcoin. Yeah, they did not deny, but they did not also state that they will be accepting Bitcoin. However, they are exploring cryptocurrency. But knowing Amazon, I'm just curious whether they couldn't they just build their own. I mean, create their own coin. That's the question that I have.
Same like Facebook, no? Facebook
Right?
also, they are coming up with the permission-based cryptocurrencies.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, some people don't want to go in this crypto business.
Right.
Probably, yeah, they can create their own,
Yeah. Loon
or
is
maybe
very
they,
happy.
or probably they will partner with some of the existing cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, Loon, you can thank Poker Hunters, no, for giving you cheap fiat money,
Yeah.
right? So let's see how that goes.
Hey,
So
Ronald.
Ronald, right?
Yeah, Ronald.
Hi Ronald, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us this late. Yeah, they will. They still need to sell off that. Loon is on fire. He's happy like he's doing the
He's
happy dance.
happy.
He's happy. He's
He's
happy because Bitcoin is climbing and all the
climbing up.
cryptocurrency is climbing. So Manish, that's all I have in the news. Over to you.
All right, so let me share something.
Yeah, so for those who are watching us, I know we have recently a lot of subscribers subscribing to this channel. We are live in Singapore time, 9 p.m. If you are based in the US, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We try our best, guys, because we work on big projects. Sometimes it takes us a while, but we will always try to make it 9 a.m. So if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to
So,
you.
yeah, today, looking at the snippet, you might have guessed that I'm going to cover today how to build a well balanced crypto portfolio.
Wow.
So, yeah, I just wanted to share what thumb rule I follow. So, getting started with the crypto investing is as easy as purchasing your first Bitcoin, either Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies. While some investors prefer to buy and hold the largest cryptocurrencies, others choose to experiment with altcoin. Yeah, we do experiment with altcoin. But what's the best way to do this? You are more likely to succeed by thinking carefully about your asset allocation and balancing your crypto portfolio regularly. So let's talk about what is crypto portfolio. A crypto portfolio is a collection of cryptocurrencies owned by an investors or traders. Portfolios typically contain a variety of different assets, including altcoin and crypto financial products. It's pretty similar to traditional investment portfolio, except you are sticking to an one asset class. You can track your crypto portfolio manually with a spreadsheet or a specialized tool and a software to calculate your holding and profit. Just to let you know, guys, we are using CoinGecko app to manage our portfolio. Yeah. So okay. You might be knowing it. There are different type of cryptocurrencies. We have it. We have a payment coin. We have a stable coin. We have a security tokens. We have a utility tokens. We have a governance tokens. So the well balanced portfolio is mixed of, yes. But what we follow here is, I think in many of our live sessions we have explained that we are following the 40% Bitcoin, 30% stable coin, and yeah, that 15% NFT and 15% of altcoin. So whichever works for you, do your own research. It's our strategies. Probably you can even think of do your own research. But yeah, this is how the experts or advanced guys who's involved in a cryptocurrency, this is how they build their portfolio. Probably it could be 40% of Bitcoin, 30% of your stable coin. Nowadays NFTs are there, so 15% you can consider NFT and 15% for altcoin. Talking about how to build a well balanced crypto portfolio, so there are some key points, probably 6 key points I will share. Split your portfolio with between high, medium, and low risk investment and give the appropriate weightage. A portfolio containing a large portion of high risk investment is definitely not a balanced. It might have the chance to provide you a bigger gain, but may also cause huge loss. So your risk profile will determine what best for you, but there should be some mix. So number 2 point which I want to highlight here is consider holding some stable coin to provide uh, stable coin to help provide liquidity to your portfolio. Stable coins are the key to many DeFi platforms and can help you quickly and easily lock in gains or exit a position. So probably if you have a stable coins, you can use that to purchase a certain cryptos which they are doing good. Number 3 point, rebalance your portfolio if needed. The crypto market is very volatile and your decisions should change depend on the current situations. So it doesn't mean that if one crypto is working good, you should put all your investment in one cryptos. You have to keep changing. You might have to adjust your decision based on the market. Fourth point, allocate a new capital strategies to avoid overweighting and any one area of your of your portfolio. If you made a big gain recently from one coin, it can be tempting to pump in more money. Don't let greed interfere and think about where you can better place the money. So the fourth point, even I like it. Sometime I have to be disciplined when we are seeing some profit in certain coins. Number 5, do your own research. I think even in a previous sessions, while going through the abbreviations, I have explained DYOR. Do your own research. You really can't beat the classic piece of the advice. You are investing your own money, so don't rely solely on the advice of other. Not me, not your friends also. Number 6, only invest what you can afford to lose. Sometime what happened, all our money, the moment we get in a payday, we get a salary, and around 70%, 80% we started investing it. Don't do that. Your portfolio is not correctly balanced if you feel stress about it. So your position should not cause your serious consequence in case things go terribly wrong. So yeah, while portfolio trackers, you can use Excel sheet. There are app also in the market. I will name a couple of them. Coin Market Cap is one of the good portfolio tracker. Coin Gecko is one of the good portfolio tracker. There is a Blockfolio is also a good portfolio tracker. Then we have a Delta. So all these four software, even I'm going to cover in the videos, upcoming videos. I'll show you the pros and cons for all these portfolio trackers. And last closing thought, a lot of cryptocurrency market is dependent on the health of Bitcoin. Even Wayne mentions multiple times a lot of the cryptocurrency market is dependent on the health of Bitcoin. So, but that's no reason not to balance your portfolio where varied crypto investment can offset some of the losses that occurs with a Bitcoin crash. So it always worth having some diversifications. Remember, there is more to balancing your portfolio than holding multiple coins. A bit of strategy will give you a long way in creating a stable portfolio for your risk tolerance. That's all I have it for today.
Thanks, Manish. Really, it was a good reminder because sometimes, especially when we are coming into the bull run, there's a tendency to get greedy. And speaking about greedy, let me
Yeah.
show what's happening to the market. And we can see the greed. Look at this, guys.
Wow! After a long time, I'm seeing. I think from the day we started this live stream, I have never seen this
Never
50.
seen. Yeah.
Never seen this 50.
So that's how much of things that is gonna happen in the market. I mean, I don't know. It's a bit early. I still feel that it's a bit early to for the bull to start, but it has started, and it started after Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, and Cathy Woods came on the 21st. So if you haven't watched that, do check it
Probably I
out.
have
But
to do that look.
yeah, I need the Oi Gabru, the
Oh,
beard,
Gabriel look, the
yeah, the
big
beard.
beard,
So Jack Dorsey, I know I
the
always
cool
disturb
look.
you on Twitter and text you. So if you
I
see
hope this
this,
live stream also provide the filter that will do also.
yeah, we love your beard, Jack. So yeah, it's amazing. But yeah, so again, you look at this. Look at this. This is how fast the crypto space can go. You know, we were doom and gloom every day talking about the FUD that is happening in the marketplace. For those who are new, FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And then the narrative slowly started to change. Things started to move really rapidly. It's going to skyrocket. But there are a few things that we need to take note. So So what it means is that now we are going into this, right? The greed will come, and then of course there will be some market correction. But when we were in fear, there was created a buying opportunity. So for those who have not yet even opened your bank account, you have not even opened a Binance, do so, because there are still coins that you can still acquire, and it's
And use our referral code.
yeah, there's a referral code on Binance in our section below. If you have faced any challenge, do drop us an email. We'll create a quick video for you guys. Always here to serve you in any ways we can. Again, this is an education company. We are not a financial advising company. We share with you our pains, that means our failures as well as our successes. You can learn from our experience and take it forward. So volatility is covered in the fear and greed index, market momentum, social media, dominance also, and trends. So these are things that we have to keep out, because this is the psychology of the marketplace right now, and everything seems good. We are
I wish
bullish.
one day we will hit the 70
Yeah, I'm,
degree
I'm
level.
hoping to hit that again, man. That will be a Christmas bonus. I might quit my job. So let's see.
Boss is
So
watching you.
CBOE volatility, the VIX index measures the fear and the greed in the stock market. And the reason why we are watching these, keeping eyes, because there is this, for the newcomers that is joining us, for some of you guys, you keep seeing these. I know I sometimes reputation is the mother of all. I need to actually share that in my bag of goodies. Let me just share the screen. Yeah, so look at these guys. Bond and markets, equities. We have gold. Hi Trisha, nice to meet you. We have crypto. We have forex, right? So these are things that when the federal government increase the interest rate, what is going to happen? The money is going to come out from this. And as we have covered today in the news, that is what the federal government in a recent conversation is talking about, protecting the debt and bond markets, protecting the equities, even the gold. So because look at this crypto, this was 2 weeks or a month ago, it was 1.4 trillion. Today we are going to 1.5 and beyond. So they are fearful. $2 trillion can be a game changer in the crypto space, and you start to see a lot of the coins will start to skyrocket. So let's move on. Something I
Wow.
want to point out: gold has dropped, right? So it's something to take note, because as you are also trading the cryptocurrency, you need to hedge yourself against gold, because gold has always been what Kiyosaki always call God's money, right? So we always use that to help hedge against the falling dollar, and the dollar has been unpacked since President Nixon in the early 19th, and when they did that, credit was born, and when credit was born, everybody took fiat money. People like my good friend Loon, who take cheap dollars and buy crypto at literally zero interest rates. So that's the situation we are in now. Everybody is borrowing $3 to buy into crypto. So let's look what's happening.
And I can say today the grass is greener outside.
The grass is beautifully green.
Beautifully green out.
Beautifully green, guys. Look at this. This dark green here, 6%. That is what we're seeing for Bitcoin, with a dominance of 50%, and Ethereum with a dominance of about 30%, following the rest of the altcoins. So let's see what's happening on the 24
Yeah.
hours. So we still have 11,000 cryptos, about 390 exchanges, no changes. But look at the market cap. Money is flowing in now. We have 1.5 trillion. So whatever coins you have acquired in the last month, you will be jumping for joy, because things are going to move up, right? In the last 24 hours, we are going to, I think by tomorrow, guys, we are going, and ladies, we are going to hit about 100K, right?
Wow.
So let's look at the 24 hours. Bitcoin bullish. We are looking at 3.95. Ethereum is up by 0.92. USDT is down by 0.03. BNB is up by 0.35. Cardano up by 1.54. XRP up by 10.65. Dogecoin 1.75, Polkadot up by 3.15, BUSD down by 0.01, and we have Solana up by 1.88.
Once the dodgy will go to the moon, I will also do the loon dance.
Yeah, we have to do that. I think we should call this the moon dance, the loon dance, or yeah, moon,
Yeah.
loon, maybe, right? Makes sense. So let's see. And yeah, so
How about the MNG? Whether it'll be listed here? No, right?
MNG. Let's do that. Let's do MNG. Can I search? Actually, we always use Gecko. Let me try here. MNG. Yep. Let's look at
Uh,
MNG. MNG. Look at the volume coming up.
oh wow, man! Look at that, 12%
MNG
in
was
the
at
last 24 hours.
2, yeah, and we
We
hit a
found a
curve.
new love, Loon.
Yeah, new love. We found a new love. So it's something that we are looking forward. They still have a very long way to go. So this we'll be looking at about a 1 or 2 years roadmap. Anyways, we will do a bit more further research and we'll get in touch with the CEO and see if he's willing to come on root zones and have a nice conversation. So back to looking at a month ago, we have climbed. I mean, even the last 7 days. Look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, look, in the last 7 days, we are like back to green. That's how fast the money comes in. Wow, amazing, guys, amazing. I'm just curious to see what happens actually a year. So 1 year ago, yeah, you would have 2x your, maybe coming close to 3x Bitcoin, 6x your, you know, Ethereum, 15x BNB, 63x for Doge. Yeah,
Hmm.
Solana, 18x. So something good.
Solana is still good, 28. It
Yeah,
used to be 32, 30.
correct. It's still affordable. We still haven't reached the peak, so don't fret.
You
Continue
still
to,
have a 2 months of time, no?
2 months of time to acquire and see where Bitcoin go. We are anticipating 100K by the end of this year, due to the time it took to actually accumulate. Look at this. This bulk year took literally months, about 2 months compared to COVID when it happened here. So let's see what happens. So let's look at the trend. So the trend, the MA, we have not seen the golden cross yet. However, this is looking at a 1 day chart, a very nice run up. We are retesting the 40,000 mark. We haven't broke that, and I'm hoping it's more of a psychological barrier. I hope to actually break that by this week and have a nice channel stabilize on the 40,000 before we go for the next run up, which is the 60,000 mark. On the 4 hours, it's a spectacular move. Look at that. It broke through the entire roof.
Wow.
Look at the volume that is coming in. Oh my god, it's so exciting to see these guys. So that is something that we've been waiting for. We've been talking about this. Robert Kiyosaki did predict that 24,000. I guess it didn't happen. So but it could have. It could have. Maybe Elon and Jack Dorsey were the what they call it, the
What a
straw on the
savior.
camel's back,
Hmm.
right? To break that. So Bitcoin now is considered as to hold. So if
Hodl.
hodl, right? Hodl. So if you are the owner of Bitcoin, our suggestion is do not sell Bitcoin, do not trade Bitcoin, because right now the narrative is still to hold and to wait until we fully farm the money in 2030. Of course, there's a projection that one Bitcoin could potentially be $1 million. So something to take note. Of course, anything can change. This is a high risk game without any governance, any policies, but we will get there. We will get there. And so the early birds is the one that actually catches the worm. So look forward to that. Now, I always keep track also on the companies that are owning Bitcoin, right? So MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, of course, still remains at 105. We have Tesla. Tesla never sold his Bitcoin. He was just only concerned about the environment, and something that what the banking sector are looking at, called ESG, environment. I can't remember the other two. Maybe Loon can help me now. Governance, and I think I forgot what's the S. So we have Galaxy Holdings, and most of them are the US companies, right?
Any
Followed by,
Twitter? Twitter? No, no, not a Twitter here. I think there'll
yeah.
not
So we
be
have
a.
North America mostly, yeah, Germany, and I think we have one in Asia, Japan, right? So Turkey also, Japan is here, right? So these are things we look, because the more they acquire Bitcoin, institutions and countries are having still some problems with implementing that, because technology is coming in. It will take some time. So let's see what happens on that side of things. And we have the blockchain. So the blockchain hash rates are the miners, right? Because after the fall of China, it was a $3 trillion mistakes, at what Michael Saylor said. The North America actually picked up. We need actually about 51% of miners. I think they did a fantastic job to kind of pick up after China. And now we are channeling. We should see a very nice run up. And what's amazing is that this is the confirmed transactions per day, and this is T minus 1, which means this was covered yesterday. And you can see a very nice up, and we should hit something within the 3 to 400. At this junction here, we'll be looking at Bitcoin being at 63,000. So there's a nice correlation over there. So that's all I have. I can open up the channel. I think everybody here in Singapore, it's about 12 midnight, mostly sleeping. Government, Loon is saying government will not increase interest. Fiat is dying. So Loon is still adamant about the federal government not increasing the interest rate. So we'll see to that, because not doing that can create that ripple effect of hyperinflation. And now what the Feds are doing is actually buying corporate junk bonds and just making that bubble bigger. So let's see. Inflation is here. Yes, Loon, I totally agree on that. So we got to see what's happening. We had some question, Manish. Let's see what's happening on the channel. On crypto, let's see. When is the best time to buy Cardano? We have that question.
We need to do a dollar cost average and do some Bollinger and let them know. Probably in upcoming session we will do for Cardano. I always
Yeah,
name it as ADA.
yeah, ADA.
ADA.
So yeah, two parts to take note of that question. I mean, while we do our research, is are you a trader or are you an investor? So if you're an investor, you'll be talking about portfolio, building your portfolio, staking it, putting into some DeFi, putting into some way of passive income that Manish has shared in a couple of videos in our how-to section. The other portion is, of course, trading, like what we are doing. So we hold Bitcoin as part of our 50% of our portfolio, and the remaining we are trading. And when we trade, we use the Bollingers. We made money, Manish. Although we cash out early, just to be honest, we cashed out early because the bull run came in. But it doesn't matter, because that's part of trading, right? You have a set target price, it hits you discipline.
Yeah, that's called discipline. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have that discipline. There was another question on, will Cardano hit 10,000?
10,000. Cardano is currently now it's 1.8 only.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can Ethereum pull to above 10K for the coming
Ah,
surge?
possible.
Yeah, we are.
Yes, why not?
Yeah,
By year
potentially.
end, we are expecting to be a 5K at least.
Yeah, 5K. Yeah, 5K is a good gauge. 10K, it really depends. It really depends because
Yeah, but I do agree with the first point, which the news you shared, right? By 2025, 18K.
yeah, there's no doubt, no doubt
No
on that. I mean,
doubt.
we still have a lot
I
to mine.
probably am expecting at least to hit 25K by in 5 years, 3 years.
Right. So yeah, so Ethereum to pull above 10K, possible. When, we don't know, but definitely we have to look forward to the 2.0 upgrade. And when that happens, then more investors will come in. And just remember, Ethereum, like what they mentioned, is a lot of it, the DeFi apps, the D apps are all actually built on Ethereum network. So it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge. So have that in mind. Lun is saying, if 10K, if BTC is 100.
Literally, you want to hear from us, you'll be millionaire.
Yeah, Lun is full on 90% Bitcoin. So
Full on
so
90% Bitcoin. So
I
you'll be millionaire, Loon.
yeah, Lun is like the Michael Saylor of Singapore in my
Yeah.
books. So yeah,
Micro strategy.
Michael. Another question is, are we seeing a high from year on? It's hard to say. It's hard to say. Like I said, we bank on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin actually can cross back to break the new highs, then we will definitely start to see a very nice run up. And keep eyes also on the market cap. The flow of money has to come in order for all these coins to rise. So I think that's all the questions I have, Manish.
Yeah, that's all. Before we close off, just run through the blog.
Yeah,
All right, guys,
yeah,
do
please.
check out our website, rootzones.net. We Every alternate day we put a post here, and all the posts are very knowledgeable. The articles are well researched. So come down if you like to read, and you have various different categories here. Whichever is the favorite category, you can just browse through in. And if you love to hodl, then this is the thing for you. Yeah. So Ethereum hodl. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, so yes, do check out. I know the options are less, but probably we are working out. In a month time, we'll have more various design over here, and then you will have a lot of options to buy the merchandise, the crypto merchandise.
Yep, and,
So
and just maybe just to add, merchandise, 50% of it will go back to charity. So that's something
yeah,
that
correct.
we don't make much money on the
And
merchandise.
do share your thoughts also. Do share your thoughts. If you
Yep.
see, you can go down to any of the article, share your thought in the comment
Mm.
sections. Probably you
Yeah,
can come
we have
down.
Manish. How many total articles now? We have 150. These are all original, written by
Yes, and
content
you can come
writers.
down, share your thought, what you want to see next. You can just give your comment down here, and probably you can just put your email, so that next time when we post anything important, you will get a notification also.
Yeah.
So that's all
Thank you. Thanks, Manish.
from
Thanks,
the
Loon, for joining us. Thanks, everyone. We'll do our best again to see you same time, same channel, but we promise, we commit one video a day.
per day. Yes, probably the
Manish,
time will be here and there, but one video per day. And if you have any further questions, please let us know.
take care.
Take care.